You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to fix a fingerprint sensor that is not responding on your Android phone. First, ensure your fingers and the sensor are clean and dry. Wipe both with a soft, lint-free cloth. Restart your phone, as this can clear temporary software glitches causing the issue. Next, go to your phone's settings, then security, and find the fingerprint manager. Delete your existing fingerprint data and re-register your fingerprints. When enrolling, make sure to cover the entire pad of your finger from different angles. If you have multiple fingerprints saved, try deleting them all and adding just one to test. Check for any available software updates in Settings, System, Software Update, as updates often contain sensor fixes. Remove any screen protector or case that might be covering or interfering with the sensor. Boot your phone into safe mode to see if a third-party app is causing the problem. If the sensor works in safe mode, uninstall recent apps. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset via Settings, System, Reset Options. If the sensor still fails after all these steps, the hardware may be damaged, and you should contact the manufacturer or a repair service for more simple computer tutorials. Subscribe to the channel.